How to fix Facebook Messenger not connecting on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not connecting on Android phone. First go to settings and then apps and apps again. Type here Facebook. Now just check your Facebook connection here and go to storage, clear cache, and then just type here Messenger and clear cache here, and then go to permissions, enable all of those here, camera, contacts, microphone, everything here, enable it. And now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and it must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.